Today, we hijack an airplane. Yeah! My favorite thing to do. Why are there so many people here? Also, what is airplane problem? Okay, well, turn your volume up. And close that. Are you here? On this flight? I need to get to my private island. Mm, oop. Uh, I-13? 130. Huh? What is that? Hang on. Look at my card. Where is this? Oh, wait, never mind. Damn. What? This isn't first class. Ugh. This person's got 18. Yeah. Uh, there we go. Turbulence! No! No! Shirtless man! No! Thank you for your coat. No! Oh, wait, no, it's the emo. Never mind. Haha. This is a... Hello, everyone. We are the crew members. What? Food! Mmm. Uh-oh. She's taking me hostage. I'm her new snack. No! No! Oh, wait, I got a sandwich. I'm poisoned? I'm not feeling very well. Wait, is this sandwich mayo? Real. No one likes mayo. Uh-uh. Oh no. Found it. Good. You saved me. Yeah! W friend. Phew. That was a close one. See, personally, if that was me, and you were the one that was being poisoned, I would slashy face dance on you. Okay, this shirtless guy is getting a bit too close to you. Yo, Max is a W. That's like the most generic dog name. Oh my god, no! Hide me. Why are you so much taller than me? This is unrealistic. Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? Are those snakes? No! Where's the restroom? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Got it. Yay! Dookie time. Max, get away from me. Max! This is unhygienic. No! Shirtless guy! That was scary. How is it just us three already? Oh, we should discuss what the heck's happening. I think there's a monster. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. No. See, no, that was probably Rue. He probably just missed his flight. Yeah, Rue missed the flight. So it's just me and you and Max. Uh oh. No! Wait! Can you not? Where is it? No! No! Wait, hang on. I can't. I can revive you. Yes! Uh oh. Uh oh. What? Oh my god! Not again! What is this? There's a bomb strapped to me. What are we gonna do? Scissors. Good point. Okay, everyone. You're talking to yourself. Yeah. Cable is it? You are kidding. Not the blue cable. Is it because I'm blue? Uh oh. Yes! No. What do you mean no? Found them. Oh. We found them. What's the code? I'm following you. I don't know what I'm doing. We need the code. If we find it, we might be able to open it. Found the code. Oh, no! The monster! It's the creature! Uh-oh. What? I can sit back and relax because I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Max, you press the button in front. I'll go right. I'll go left. Yeah. Yeah, yes. Yes. Okay. This is time to die! No! Please. No. See you in the afterlife. No, you won't. I'm immortal. No. Left. This way. Okay. I know the plane's shaking. I don't know if Max is doing anything right. Just hold up. I found the button! Yes! I did it. Look how many buttons we went through. I was so unlucky. We did it. We saved the plane. I mean, I did it. Has been a crazy flight. I just want to go home already. don't have your... Yay. Happy ending. Now we all need to find the emergency phone. Oh. Got it. Hang on. Where is it? Is it on the other side? Yeah, it is. Yes, we did it. Yeah. We did it. Hello, McDonald's. Can I get a Big Mac with... Don't worry. What? Airport crew? But the airport crew's here. Ah. Okay. We traced your location. Now we're taking control. Uh-oh. Mac, there is... okay. Keep the plane on track. Oh. Find someone to sit on the co-pilot seat aside the captain. You're telling me the captain was flying the plane alone? No co-pilot? Crazy. Right, I think you know what you're doing most, so you should get there first. Yeah! You know most of what you're doing. Oh my goodness. Yeah, okay. Don't worry, we got this. Oh no, it is back. You humans are funny. I know. No, we're actually like... Then... I'm a rewriter. Last chance. No, just climbing. You wouldn't. You wouldn't. That sounds pretty sweet, not gonna lie. Crazy. I'm not doing it. I'm saving this plane. Yay. Yay. This is not the last time you'll steal me. No McDonald's. There's no McDonald's in hell. Great. Only Taco Bell. Taco Bell's. Only Taco Bell's in hell. That seems great. Seems pretty cool. Whoa. We did it! We did it! Victory! Victory! Back. We did it!